This is Alexi Lubomirski, brilliant photographer. He takes pictures for everybody. I mean, that didn't sell you very well.
No, that was really good.
That was really good. Okay, anyways.
Right. Thank God you're not my agent.
I know. Okay, are you guys ready for part 2 with Alexi Lubomirski? We're cooking lunch. A lunch
Very
ball.
exciting. So it was basically very simple. It is red lentils, some stir-fried vegetables or a pepper and broccoli, and some green jade rice. A couple of slices of avocado on top, and that's pretty much it. When I met Gucci, I was an assistant to Mario Testino, and Gucci was already the superstar makeup artist on set. And so she used to hang around with me and the 2 other assistants, Adam and Sicko, because we were the cool guys on set. Oh, that's what we thought we were anyway. So we got two cups of red lentils. Then I usually double up on the water, so that'll be 4 cups of water. Always good to pre-soak the lentils, good for digestion. You have to double check everything I tell you about these foods is probably 50-50 right or wrong.
And why do you like this?
Again,
it's green.
This is something I was told by my wife to get this rice because it's very, very good for you. So, and the kids love it, and it's green rice. And they also do like a black rice, which is really good. And
isn't that called forbidden?
It is. Very good. Look at you.
I know.
Right, which one is this?
Oh, don't turn the oven on. And then what do we do?
So
broccoli?
here,
can I do anything
yeah,
here?
you want to
okay,
do
I
that?
don't want to just stand here.
I like the fact that you've got a small chopping board.
I know, because I'm smaller. Do you like small pieces?
Yeah, sure. Why do we go with that?
You're a Virgo, and my little petal's a Virgo. She's very specific.
Virgos are
very,
very amazing. And very modest and humble.
Can you just tell me about the royal portrait of, I mean,
the engagement pictures.
The engagement pictures. I was like, what? Alexi did that? So.
It's a surreal. So I was flying into England. My mother was having a brain tumor taken out. So it was horrible. It was the worst day of my life thus far. Oh. So we're walking up and down the hospital corridors, and all day long you could hear the TVs playing Harry and Meghan have got engaged. Then the phone rang, and I jumped on it thinking it was the doctor. And I said, yes, hello. And they said, is it Alexi? And I said, yes, yes, yes. And they said, this is Kensington Palace calling. Can you
imagine? I'd be like...
And I was like, sorry, what? And I thought, it's my best friends, Adam and Sicko. They're playing a prank on me. And I was about to say, are you kidding me? It's my mum's operation today. Anyway, 10 minutes later, the doctor called. My mum was fine. And we went upstairs, and she sort of opened her eyes. And the first thing my brother said was like,
Alexi,
guess who just called Alexi? So then we were going to the wedding, and then a month before the wedding, I was asked to do the official wedding pictures. And so the day before, we'd set all the places up. With
the timing, you only had a very
We had 25 minutes to take
time.
6 group shots.
And group shots are tough.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's nutty. I'm going to start cooking this one.
Okay.
And, yeah, check it in. Yeah, go for it.
No garlic or anything?
Yes, garlic. I forgot garlic. And then we were allowed 3 minutes, if possible, after the reception where Elton John was playing and all the speeches. We were allowed 3 minutes to take them to the Rose Garden to try and get a more informal picture of just the 2 of them. And I didn't realise that to get to the Rose Garden takes at least 5 minutes if you're running. Not wearing a wedding dress. So when we were up there and we had the whole group in front, the whole family, and of course the kids are looking around and jumping up and playing with things. So all of a sudden I shouted, who likes Smarties? And thank God Harry shouted, me! Which made everybody laugh, and the kids said me as well, but me looks like a smile, because me. And that was it. So it was...
oh my gosh.
So I don't cook these for very long. So basically I just cook them enough to look a little softened, but I kind of like the crunchiness. So I think one of the first jobs that we worked on when I was a grown-up photographer was Jennifer Aniston.
Oh, and she was on the bike?
She was on the bike.
She loves those pictures.
And it was I think I was so nervous. I think I wore 3 different t-shirts that day because I was sweating so much. So you know what we forgot to do? Because we were chatty Cathy's.
Uh-oh. We messed something up?
We forgot to put the cumin in.
So
basically what I usually do with the red lentils is
I was like really no flavors at all.
Yeah, we were too busy chatting. Oh, there you go, timer. Yeah, so what I usually do is I put the red lentils in the pan with no water. I put the cumin on top, bit of sliced garlic, and I sort of just fry it a little bit.
Oh, so
then I put the water in.
We
skipped so much because we were talking about silly stories. So
heavy on the broccoli for me.
All right, heavy on the broccoli. So I like putting in a little whole avocado because it looks nice. See, it's nice and pretty.
Oh, I like the messier version. Okay. Oh my god. Well,
no, but yours looks good too.
Shut up.
Little olive oil, little drizzle. want to smell something?
Sure. So you go salt, I'll go Minas.
Alright.
Okay?
Anyway, so that's it. Super healthy, super quick.
You don't even actually need rice, maybe.
No, you don't. But when I'm making a vegan or plant-based dish for people,
They think it's
if you take
not
away
enough.
too many things that they're used to, like you've already taken away the meat, and then if
Yeah.
you take away the pasta or the rice or whatever it is, then they start to get freaked
Well,
out.
you guys have to check out Alexi's YouTube channel. He has several series. He has Eco Shaker, which is his brilliant, beautiful wife, who is taking us on all of these journeys, how to become more eco-conscious and clean, sustainable. And you also have Face to Face, and then you have your vegan.
Yeah, For Lover, where we interview all
come
the
on.
high-profile plant-based people to inspire all their followers and fans to go plant-based too.
Thank you so much for coming to do our Coming Clean Eats.